In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation in Miro. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your presentation starts in the right place for your team. Start by heading to Miro.com in a modern browser. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land on your Miro dashboard. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace or team if you're part of more than one, since that determines where your new work will live. On the dashboard, you'll see your recent boards and options to create something new. This is where we're going to begin the presentation setup. Look toward the top or left side of the screen for the option to create a new item. Click Create New. Depending on your plan or interface version, you might see a menu with different types of items you can start from. Don't worry if you see templates or suggested formats pop up. Those are helpful later, but they're optional. For now, the goal is simply to open the right kind of canvas for building a presentation. If you're asked to name your board at this point, give it a clear, descriptive title so it's easy to find and share later. Keeping names consistent across projects will save you time when your library grows. From the creation options, choose Slides. Slides is Miro's presentation-focused experience that helps you turn content into a sequence you can present cleanly. Selecting Slides tells Miro you want a presentation-ready space rather than a general whiteboard. You may notice a panel or prompts designed for presenting. These are there to help you structure your content and keep pages aligned. If you're new to Miro, think of Slides as a guided way to present ideas without leaving the collaborative environment. If a prompt appears asking where this should live, click Create Team Board. This ensures the presentation is created inside your team's workspace, making access and collaboration smoother from the start. Choosing a team board also helps with permissions, so teammates who are already part of that space can view or contribute as needed, depending on your settings. If you work solo, this step simply places the board in your default environment. That's it, you've opened a presentation in Miro ready for content. As you proceed, keep your structure clear, use concise titles, and maintain visual consistency so your slides are easy to follow. When you're done for the day, Miro saves your progress automatically so you can return to the board anytime and continue refining your presentation.